Let's look at 4 ways or method you can launch PowerPoint quickly on Windows computer.
Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Also comment on our videos.
First of all is by launching it through the shortcut, and the other way is by launching it through the command. So let's look at how to launch it through the shortcuts. When you install Microsoft Office Suite into your laptop, it doesn't create automatically these shortcuts. It's up to you to create these shortcuts so that you can easily launch PowerPoint. So let me show you how to set up the shortcut so that you can launch quickly. So first of all, you click on your Start button on your keyboard, or you click on the Start icon on the Taskbar. So when you click on it, this particular interface you could see is referred to as the Start menu. These are apps that are pinned here like a shortcut. If you see, there is no PowerPoint pinned there. For you to pin PowerPoint there, on this search pane, you type PowerPoint and it will come out like this. So you right click, and on the option you will see pin to start. So when you click pin to start, the next time you come in, you will discover PowerPoint. The shortcut is already there. By clicking on it, it will launch PowerPoint. Another way you can do that is by storing or keeping the PowerPoint icon on the taskbar. The taskbar is the bottom of your laptop where you have the apps you've opened, where they show at the bottom. Also where you have the time, calendar, internet, battery icons displayed. That is the taskbar. Now how do you go about doing that? The same way. You type PowerPoint on and it will show. Right click and you will locate the command pin to taskbar. When you click on it, you can see that it has automatically, a shortcut has been created here. Now another method that can be done or used is by saving into your desktop. So how do you go about that? The same method. You click on the Windows button on your keyboard, you type PowerPoint, and then on this place you right click and then you click on Open File Location, where you will have access to all the Microsoft and the shortcuts to all the apps you've installed in your system, or most. So here you can see PowerPoint, right click on it. Due to my version of Microsoft Suite, there's supposed to be a send to option here, but it's not displayed here. But when I click on show more options, you can see send to displayed here. You go to desktop, create shortcut. When you click on it, a shortcut will be automatically created. So let's confirm. So you can see now that we have a shortcut already created. Now, last but not the least, another method you are able to quickly launch PowerPoint is by using the command. So you will click on Windows. While you are still pressing it down, you press arrow. After doing that, you type PowerPoint and you hit enter on your keyboard, and it will automatically open or launch the PowerPoint software for you to work with. Other method that I've shown to you is just a single click or double click and it will be opened. The one that is on our taskbar, a single click and it will launch. The one on our desktop, you double click and it will launch. The one on our start menu, you click, single click, and it will launch. So these are the ways you can quickly launch PowerPoint on your Windows computer. Thank you.